In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to effortlessly obtain an iOS-style keyboard on your Android device. Follow this simple, step-by-step guide. Access the Play Store on your Android device. Install the iOS Emojis for Android app. Once the app is successfully installed, open it. If this is your first time using the app, enable the necessary permissions to utilize its features. Tap on Theme within the app. Under Themes, you will find options such as iOS Light Keyboard and iOS Dark Keyboard. Select either of these options. Click on Apply to apply the selected keyboard to your Android device. You can now effortlessly use an iPhone-like keyboard on your Android device. If this tutorial was helpful, kindly leave a like and comment below. Thank you for your attention.